Hello and welcome to Chapter. Today, we are going to learn about using prepositions after adjectives. That means we'll look at which little words, like of, to, about, and with, should come after describing words. Many people use the wrong preposition after an adjective, and this can change the meaning or make a sentence incorrect. Let's understand this topic step by step with examples, so that even a young learner can get it easily. Some adjectives always go together with certain prepositions. These combinations don't follow a fixed rule, so we need to learn them by heart. For example, we say afraid of spiders, not afraid from Borg afraid about. Similarly, we say interested in books and good at math. These word pairs sound natural and correct when used together. Using the wrong preposition can make your English sound odd or wrong. Here are some common adjective and preposition combinations. We say proud of my brother, not proud on my brother. We also say angry with her, good at drawing, afraid of snakes, interested in science, and similar to this one. These pairs are used often, so make sure you practice them. Using the right preposition helps your sentence sound natural and correct. Let's look at some common mistakes people make. Some say, she is good in singing, but that's not correct. The right phrase is good at singing. Another mistake is afraid from the dark. We should say afraid of the dark. And interested about music should actually be interested in music. These small preposition changes make a big difference. Always try to use the correct pair. Let's look at more correct examples. We say I am proud of you when someone does something great. He is similar to his brother means they look or behave in the same way. She is angry with her friend means she is upset with that person. They are good at chess means they play chess well. And we are interested in history means we enjoy learning about it. Notice how the adjectives and prepositions are paired correctly in every sentence. Now, how can you learn these pairs? First, practice the most common adjective-preposition combinations. Repeat them aloud or write them in sentences. Second, read storybooks or listen to English conversations. This helps you hear these combinations used in real life. And finally, try using these pairs in your writing and speaking. The more you use them, the easier they become. To summarize, many adjectives are always followed by a certain preposition. You need to learn these as fixed pairs, just like learning a friend's full name. Practice using them correctly in sentences, and soon you'll use them naturally without thinking. Thank you for joining this lesson on adjective and preposition pairs. In your next chapter, you'll learn about using the correct preposition in general. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.